Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging NMDCAT MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is Y chromosome in human. A A is completed inert. B carriers few genes. C carrier many genes, and D contains genes for hemophilia and color blindness. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is it is not formed in A. Monocots, B. Dicots, C. Gymnosperms, and D. All of given. So the correct option is A. Monocots. The next MCQ is which type of chlorophyll is found in all types of algae? A. Chlorophyll A, B. Chlorophyll B, C. Chlorophyll C, and D. Chlorophyll D. So the correct option is A. Chlorophyll A. The next MCQ is which of the following is not related with apoptosis? A. Loss of tail of developing human embryos. B. Loss of tissue between developing digits. C. Controlling the number of neurons, and D. None of given. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which of the following is not parasitic fungus of plant? A. Rust, B. Mildews, C. Armillaria, and D. None of given. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which of the following is not component of extracellular matrix in bacteria? A. Cell wall, B. Slime, C. Capsule, and D. Cell membrane. So the correct option is D. Cell membrane. The next MCQ is which of the following is not an infection of the lungs, respiratory tract? A. Histoplasmosis, B. Tuberculosis, C. Cystic fibrosis, and D. None of giving. So the correct option is D. None of giving. The next MCQ is which of the following is correct in humans? A. Both sperms and eggs contain yolk. B. All genetic information comes from sperms. C. Sperms contain little cytoplasm, and D. Fertilization commonly occurs in uterus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is the organism having wings with claws. A. Eagle, B. Kestrel, C, and D. Mallard. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following feature is not related to the Vexillium in pea family? A. Large, B. Single, C. Outermost, and D. Anterior. So the correct option is D. Anterior. The next MCQ is which of the following does not belong to same linkage group? A. Sickle cell anemia, B. Albinism, C. Leukemia, and D. GOT. So the correct option is D. GOT. The next MCQ is which of the following correctly explain the structures of myoglobin? A. 4 peptide chain and 4 hemo portions. C. B. 4 peptide chain and 1 hemo portion. C. 1 peptide chain plus 4 hemo portions, and D. 1 peptide chain and 1 plus 1 hemo portion. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is the leg of cockroach which acts as prop during walking. A. Anterior leg, B. Posterior leg, C. Middle leg, and D. All given. So the correct option is C. Middle leg. The next MCQ is which component enters into mitochondria after glycerol cells? A. Pyruvate, C. Acetate, C. Oxaloacetate, and D. Acetyl coenzyme. So the correct option is D. Acetyl coenzyme. The next MCQ is what will be the approximate length of DNA strand having 500 nucleotides? A. 100 nm, B. 130 nanometer, C. 170 nanometer, and D. 150 nanometer. So the correct option is C. 170 nanometer. The next MCQ is viral disease that is widely spread and caused by enveloped RNA virus. A. AIDS, B. Hepatitis, C. Measles, and D. Influenza. So the correct option is D. Influenza. The next MCQ is vaccination can be done against A. Bacterial disease only, B. Viral disease only. C. Both viral and bacterial. And D. All type of disease causing organism. So the correct option is C. The next MCQs is useful bacteria at large intestine of humans produce A. Vitamin K, B. Vitamin E, C. Vitamin D, and D. Vitamin C. So the correct option is A. Vitamin K. The next MCQs is undigested food in cockroaches stored in A. Crop, B. Rectum, C. Gizzard, and D. Crop and rectum. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is type of Sclerenaima cells found in seed coats are A. Fibrous, B. Trichids, sclerites, and D. Basal. So the correct option is C. Sclerites. The next MCQs is type of lichen which is leaf-like in appearance is A. Liconer, B. Rimelina, C. Permilia, and D. Bisida. So the correct option is C. The next MCQs is trichome of Gnostic is surrounded by A. Pellicle, C. B. Capsule, C. Mucilaginous sheet, and D. None of given. So the correct option is C. The next MCQs is the ultimate source of all changes is A. Mutation, B. Migration, C. Genetic drift, and D. Change in allelic frequency. So the correct option is A. Mutation. The next MCQs is the lymph vessels empty and A. Arteries, B. Veins, C. Capillaries, and D. None of given. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is the helical structure of a protein is kept by formation of hydrogen bond between amino acid molecule which are A. adjacent to each other, B. in successive strands of spiral, B. between two different polypeptide chains, and D. none of given. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is tail can be generated in larvae of amphibian, C. lizards, C. both lizard and larvae of amphibian, and D. none of given. So the correct option is C. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.